Hello students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of exercise 13.5. Find the derivatives of the following functions with respect to x. Before solving this, I like to say the product rule. Product rule says derivative of product of two functions d by dx of uv or uv rule also we will say product rule, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Simple. What is the product rule? First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Similarly, we have quotient rule also. Quotient rule says d by dx of u by v, that is first write v square, v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v. So if you solve some problems you can understand. Before that, let me solve this. Let y is equal to x minus a into x minus b. Looks like product rule, right? Differentiating 1 with respect to x. Then we will get dy by dx equal to d by dx of x minus a into x minus b. So, how do we get that? It looks like uv formula, right? First function into x minus a into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. So x minus a into x derivative 1 plus x minus b into x derivative 1, a derivative 0, right? So x minus a plus x minus b, that equal to 2x minus a minus b. That is the final answer, right? Check once, x derivative 1, x derivative 1. So x minus a, xx 2x minus a minus b. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 2x minus a minus b. Otherwise, you can multiply these two binomial and apply derivative. Same way we can get, no problem. Let y is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square. This we can do it like this. Differentiating 1 with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to d by dx of x minus 1 by x whole square. You can apply a minus b whole square and take the derivative, no problem. Otherwise, I can do like this. I'll do one thing. Okay. A minus b whole square, you take it a square plus b square minus 2ab. So apply x square derivative 2x, 1 by x square derivative. I just told you d by dx of 1 by x to the power n is nothing but minus n by x to the power n plus 1, right? So you can write here minus 2 by x cube. 2 derivative 0. Hope it is clear. Minus 2 by x to the power 2 plus 1, 3. Apply this formula. Okay? X square derivative 2x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 2x minus 2 by x cube. That is the final answer. Hope it is clear. Thank you.